Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox error 257 connection error. So here's what you're gonna do. You want to open a new Chrome tab, click on three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security, go to third-party cookies, click all site data. Now type in here filters, type in Roblox. After you find it, you want to click on the trash can to delete all the files. After you're done with that, you want to open the file explorer on this PC, local disk C, users, whatever it says for you. For me, it's not 3. App data, local, and type in here temp. After you find it, double click on it. You want to press R till you find the Roblox and you want to delete the folder. And after that, restart your PC and the game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Roblox error 257. Hope this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.